achieving success, a person should possess some qualities. Self-discipline is one of those qualities. Being a student, a business person, employee, a person should first be self-disciplined. Discipline is the key to present ourselves. If a person is self-disciplined, he can plan things and implement those in a better way.
Self-confidence repeated with consistency every day lead to great achievements gained slowly over time.
Discipline is money in the bank, a real friend, true strength.
Key to success. Everything. Discipline is the core of everything in this universe. Everything is correctly per planning in this universe. A self-disciplined person has the ability to do his work at time and acting according to his set goals. It helps us stay forward on reaching your goals. Attain self-discipline to become successful.
Self-discipline is a useful inner which power developed not to courage. It grants its process self-command and the power to resist temptation, direction that tend to stand in the way of training, aim and goal.
Azan is a student of grade 5. He is a good boy but he has one bad habit. He never wakes up early in the morning. One day Azan is getting ready for school. He was in hurry. His father saw him and say,
"Slow down, Azan. Eat your breakfast first."
Dad, I have no time.
He picked up a juice and rushed out. When he reached school again, he was late and paper was started.
Stop, Azan. Why are you so late?
Sir, I tried to wake up early but I couldn't.
Paper is started.
Sir, I need extra time.
No, Azan. You have to manage your time in this.
Sir, please give me extra time.
No, Azan. Go and solve your paper. Give me your paper, Azan. Salman, give me your paper. Azan Ali, give me your paper.
Sir, I have completed my work.
So what? Why are you so late? Give me your paper.
Sir, please give me extra time.
No, Azan. Thank you.
He realized his mistake. He learned that should be more disciplined and do his work on time to get success in life, as discipline is the secret to a fruitful life. Thank you.